I'm DollAvant, and I won Pitch Distilled in March 2018 in Atlanta, Georgia. My pitch was effective because it accomplished three things. Number one, connection. I went far beyond statistics and used stories to connect emotionally with my audience. Number two, communication. Far beyond facts and figures, you've got to communicate why your audience should care about the solution you've created. And number three, compel. If you've done the first two successfully, your audience will feel compelled to take action, so be sure to include a big ask at the end of your pitch. Now, here's how I pitched today. You may remember seeing headlines about lead-contaminated water in Flint, Michigan. Or you may have seen the movie Erin Brockovich, which tells the story of water causing cancer in a California town. What you may not know is that same cancer-causing chemical has been found in water systems across all 50 states, and there are 3,000 locations in the United States with more lead in their water than Flint, Michigan. This affects more than 233 million Americans in every major city. There are 12 million cases of waterborne disease in the United States every year. Things like lymphoma, cancer, diabetes, ALS, that we traditionally think are attributed to happenstance, are in many cases actually attributed to what's in the water. But this is not just a problem for consumers. In fact, 84% of corporations say they're facing growing water challenges, and $32 billion is being spent every year on water risk mitigation, not just for food and beverage, but for most major industries. And there used to be no easy way for a consumer or corporation to know what was in the water before there was a public health or economic crisis, until AquageNuity. AquageNuity is the world's first intelligent water data solutions platform. We make it easy for a non-technical user to understand what's in their water in real time so they can take appropriate action. I'm DollAvant. I'm the founder and CEO of AquageNuity, and I'm a data scientist, a graduate of Harvard University, and a TEDx speaker. I spent the last 3 years aggregating water quality data for the entire United States and developing the world's first water score, which is similar to a credit score. Based on my research, I was named a Global Impact Fellow by Singularity at NASA Research Park, and I was recently featured and honored by Google for creating the largest water database in the world. And that database powers and fuels our innovation at AquageNuity. For consumers, our mobile app allows you to enter your zip code, find out what's in your water, how that impacts your health, what filter you should be using, even search real estate or restaurants by water quality. For corporations, we've been selected for technology implementation by Fortune 100 companies like Coca-Cola, and we provide API access, dashboard analytics, and a water score so that companies can track their water quality in real time. We're even working with partners like MIT and NASA to help cities provide real-time water quality forecasts for their citizens. At AquageNuity, we're on a mission to help every consumer, corporation, and smart city answer the question, what's in your water? If you'd like to know more or to check your water score, visit us at aquagenuity.com.